Glock 26 rapid fire. We're going to do a tabletop very soon on these. I've had these for a long time. 26, 17, 19. I got a couple of them. And that's why I have been kind of staying away from them, because I want to do reviews on other things than the Glock. But it's a little bit later in the fall, and I kind of just want to shoot something. So this is something that's on me every day. That's just tool ammo, throw away. Okay? Just throw away. Garbage. But we're going to do rapid fire, 10 round. And there it is. I think I just took the whole target down, basically. So I hope you like it, because I love the hell out of it. Have a great one.